Today I'm going to discuss importance of money. What is importance of money? I'm going to discuss it. This is day 3 video. In my previous day 2 video, I have discussed you functions of money, and in day 1 video, I have discussed is what is money. In this video, you will understand importance of money. Okay, what will you understand? Importance of money. You will understand it. Okay, importance of money. Now I'm going to start this video. Try to understand it. What is the importance of money? I'm going to start the topic of this chapter. Importance of money. What is the importance of money? I'm going to discuss it. Try to understand it. Okay. Importance of money. There are many points under this topic. First point is axis of market system. Axis of market system means what? Try to understand. In modern time, all transactions in market system are done by means of money. Each and every transaction, if you want to make any transactions in the market, then you will have to do you will have to take the help of money. Okay, then you can you can purchase or sell in the market in a very easy way. Okay, with the help of money. So in the modern times, all transactions in market system are done by means of money. Clear? In the one number point. Second, 2 number point, basis of social prestige. We know very well social prestige. Basis of social prestige. Suppose you have money and you are crorepati. On that moment, you are prestigious people. Okay. In an economy, money with provisions of economic freedom also provide of storing value in the form of money, which becomes basis of social prestige. Suppose you will store it. It means what? Storing value. Money can be stored, okay, in form of money, which becomes basis of social prestige. Okay, it means what? If you will store the money continuously, then your prestige will be high. The money is the and third point is what? Work division and specialization. Work division and specialization. Work division and specialization means what? Money facilitates higher level of production by means of division of labor and specializations. Money facilitates higher level of production by means of division of labor, by means of division of labor and specialization. Specialization. Clear? So it means what? It helps into the for doing the productions. Okay, money is equally important to the production, enable them to take decisions regarding what to produce. Regarding in my previous video, already I have told you what to produce, how to produce. Clear? What to produce, how to produce, whom to produce, for what purpose should we make for economic development. Okay, the money helps the production to discover what people want and how much they want, price of goods and services, provide them and information on the basis of which they take provision decision. Clear? So importance in distribution. Fourth point is importance in distribution. Importance in distribution. How? Factors of production need to be combined and used together to produce goods and services. Produce goods and services. Clear? Goods and services. This gives rise to problem of distribution. Money has greatly facilitates the distribution of national product among different factors of production. Clear? So it means what? Without money, distribution of national product among various factors of production would indeed be extremely difficult. Clear? The importance of distribution. And next and last point is what? Change in investment or saving in an economy. Change in investment or saving in an economy. Clear? Change in investment or saving in economy. Okay. So change in investment or saving in economy means, it means what? In an economy, saving done by the people. Who? Saving done by the people. Clear? In form of money. Clear? Which are deposited in the banks. Suppose money is saved. Saving is done by the people. Saving is done by the people. Clear? For whom? Saving done by the people. Clear? Saving done by the people. Saving done by the people in form of money, which are deposited in the bank. Which are deposited in the bank for investment purpose in an economy. So this is change in investment or saving in an economy. Okay. So in this video I have discussed you importance of money. In next video I will discuss next topic. The next topic means supply of money. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.